Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to automatically record calls from unknown numbers in Android mobile phone, just in case it's a scam. Alright, let's get to it. First of all, open your phone app on your Android phone. Then you have to click on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen. Then choose settings. And there will be several options for you, and tap on record calls right here, and you have to tap on auto record calls. Alright, and you have to turn on the auto record calls by clicking on this toggle button, and choose calls with unsaved numbers. Alright, and let's go back to preview screen. And okay guys, that's so easy, right? And that's the tutorial for today. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.